In this short tutorial, I will show you a way to move object origins in Blender 5 using a mode called Effect Only. This allows you to reposition origins more easily in an interactive way, optionally also using the Snap tool for greater precision, as we will see. With an object selected in Object Mode, we can switch to Effect Only Origins mode from the Options menu in the top right of the 3D viewport. The shortcut for this mode is Control and the period key on the keyboard. Be careful, the period key on the keyboard, not the period key on the numeric keypad. You can move the origin by using the manipulator with the arrows freely within the 3D viewport, or by pressing G and moving it, optionally also specifying the amount of movement. For example, with GY-14, you can move the origin exactly 14 units along the y-axis only, in the negative direction. Using the same shortcut, or through the Options menu, you can then exit this mode and go back to moving the object normally in the scene, not its origin. As I mentioned at the beginning, this mode also works with transformation snaps, which can be enabled using the magnet icon in the 3D viewport header. For example, it is easy to move the origin onto a vertex of an object by enabling Snap and setting it to vertex. Snap also makes it easy to reposition the origin at the center of the virtual universe, thanks to Grid mode, which snaps the object to the intersections of the reference grid, including, of course, the origin of the virtual universe. This method is a bit hidden compared to the Set Origin tools, which you can access by right-clicking in the 3D viewport in Object Mode, but in some cases it can save you time. For example, it avoids having to select a vertex, place the 3D cursor there, and then choose Set Origin to 3D Cursor, because you can now use Snap in Vertex mode and manually move the origin. Alright, that's all for this video as well. If you found it useful, you can thank me with a nice like and by subscribing to the channel. See you soon.